इसमें पोटेंशियल तो बहुत है मगर पढ़ाई नहीं करती है। काफ़ी इंटेलिजेंट है ये मगर हैंडराइटिंग बहुत ख़राब है। समझ में सब आती है मगर क्लास में ध्यान ही नहीं देती है। स्पोर्ट्स जितना मर्जी करवा लो मगर पढ़ाई वो नहीं होती। As Indian kids, we have heard our teachers and parents saying these dialogues growing up. We laugh at these now, but back then it was traumatizing for us. But do you know maybe these dialogues wouldn't be so common if we started learning early? If we got the right external stimulation required for holistic development for the brain and body at the right time. Before the age of 3, 85% of the brain development is already done. We have gone through this. Let's not let our kids, our future, go through this as well. Tinyvers, a universe meant for your babies to start learning from the very first day on earth. Learning through toys, flashcards, books, fun activities that generates curiosity, creativity, critical thinking and problem solving. With the right toy, right knowledge at the right time, you help your child's brain to get external stimulation to grow and develop. Tinyvers, first steps, giant leaps.